Samsung launched its most anticipated Galaxy S25 series at the Galaxy Unpacked 2025 event yesterday. The series comprises three variants, including the base trim Galaxy S25, the Galaxy S25 Plus, and the Galaxy S25 Ultra, all integrated with advanced AI features, complemented by powerful energy-efficient chipsets. When it comes to the comparison between the Galaxy S25 series and the iPhone 16 series, the latter's also packed with advanced features, providing an enhanced user experience. As both devices bring their own set of pros and cons to the table, GadInsider has listed a detailed comparison between the Samsung Galaxy S25 series and the iPhone 16 series in case you're struggling to opt for one. Our lists entail some of the best, most standout features from both handsets to compare how they differ, highlighting the specs and use cases, so you can make an informed decision which best aligns with your needs and budget. The pricing details for the Galaxy S25 starts at $799. For the S25 Plus, it starts at $999, and for the Galaxy S25 Ultra, it starts at $1,299, whereas the pricing details for the iPhone 16 series are $698.49, for the iPhone 16 Pro, $853.96, and for the iPhone 16 Pro Max, $1,079.69. The Samsung Galaxy S25 sports a 6.2-inch display with a 120Hz refresh rate, Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy with 128 or 256 GB of storage, 50-megapixel main, 12-megapixel ultra-wide, and 10-megapixel 3x zoom rear camera, 12-megapixel front camera, a 4000 mAh battery, whereas the color range offers Moonlight Blue, Silver Shadow, Sparkling Blue, and Sparkling Green. For the Galaxy S25 Plus, it sports a 6.7-inch display with a 120Hz refresh rate and Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy, the same 12GB, 256GB, and 512GB of storage, a 50-megapixel main and 12-megapixel ultra-wide with 10-megapixel 3x zoom, a 12-megapixel front camera, 4900 mAh battery, which comes in the colors Icy Blue, Mint, Navy, and Silver Shadow. As for the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, it sports a 6.9-inch display with a 120Hz refresh rate. The chipset offered is a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy with the same 12GB, 256GB, and 512GB storage with an additional 1TB storage. The rear cameras are a 200-megapixel main, 50-megapixel ultra-wide, 10-megapixel telephoto with 3x zoom, and 50-megapixel telephoto with 5x zoom. The front camera is a 12-megapixel and sports a 5000 mAh battery. It comes in the color options titanium black, titanium gray, titanium silver blue, and titanium white silver, titanium jade green, titanium jet black, and titanium pink gold. Moving on to the iPhone 16 series, the iPhone 16 flagship offers a 6.1-inch display with 60Hz refresh rate. It offers an Apple A18 chipset with an 8GB, 128GB, 256GB, and 512GB storage options. The rear camera offers 48-megapixel main with 2x optical zoom and 12-megapixel ultra-wide with a 12-megapixel front camera. It offers a 3561 mAh battery, and the color options provided are black, white, pink, teal, and ultramarine. For the iPhone 16 Pro, it sports a 6.3-inch display slightly bigger than the previous iPhone, with a 120Hz refresh rate and an Apple A18 Pro chipset, coming in 8GB or 128GB, 256GB, 512GB, and an additional 1TB storage. It sports a 48-megapixel main, 48-megapixel ultra-wide, 12-megapixel telephoto with 5x optical zoom, and a 12-megapixel front camera. The battery is a 3582 mAh, and the color options are black, white, desert, and natural titanium. And lastly, for the iPhone 16 Pro Max, it comes in a 6.9-inch 120Hz refresh rate with an Apple A18 Pro chipset. It offers 8GB or 256GB, 512GB, and 1TB storage. The rear camera sports 48-megapixel main, 48-megapixel ultra-wide, 12-megapixel telephoto with 5x optical zoom. As for the front camera, it offers a 12-megapixel. The battery is a 4685 mAh, and the color options are black, white, desert, and natural titanium.